Good morning, everyone. Today I am speaking on accident investigation of American Airline Flight 77. Me, Abhishek, my friend Channappa, guided by Assistant Professor S. Shantanu S. Kulwani, MVJ College of Engineering, Bangalore. Coming to introduction, looking at the investigation, the American Airline Flight 77 on September 11, 2001, the Boeing 757 carrying 64 people departed from Dulles International Airport bounded for Los Angeles. Coming to hijack sequence, shortly after takeoff, the plane was hijacked by five terrorists. One of the hijacker, Hani Hanjo, was a trained pilot who took the control of the aircraft in the hijack. Coming to introduction, communication. The passengers were allowed to make a call to their family. One of the passengers called to her husband to tell him the plane had been hijacked at 9:37 a.m. The plane crashed into the west side of the Pentagon. The impact and enhancing the fire crash, large explosion took place. Investigation. The crash killed all 64 people on the board and the aircraft, including five hijackers. It also resulted in death of 125 people inside the Pentagon. The investigation confirmed that the crash was result of terrorist attack. Thank you.